how to mute someone on Facebook Messenger. So for this case, I'll head over and teach you two methods. First method involves actually holding their conversation with you and click on this mute option and then mute your message, call, or also both of your notifications with this person. So that is actually the first method. And the second involves opening your chat with them, clicking right here onto the eye icon, and then scroll down, or you can also just click on this mute icon right here. Click on this mute, and you can actually see in here, and you will be presented with the same options. You can mute your message, call, as well as both of them. So just choose which one and click on OK. And then in here, it will ask you until how long you will mute this. So for this case, I'll head over and mute them for 15 minutes and click on OK. And as you can see, they have been muted. So that's how you mute someone on Facebook Messenger. Hope we help.